welcome to the Principles of Curriculum and Planning. In this course, we'll cover 4 modules. It'll be about 4 hours of instruction, and the topics will be what is a curriculum, constructing a syllabus, learning objectives, and lesson planning. So in Module 1, what is a curriculum, we'll talk about what is a curriculum versus syllabus, then we'll look at curriculum theory, types of curriculum, and then I'll show you some curriculum examples. Moving on to Module 2, we'll look at why is a syllabus important, what are the elements of a syllabus, what are the types of syllabi, and then again, I'll show you some examples of a syllabus. Then moving on to Module 3, which is a very large module, we're going to look at types of objectives, learning objectives, writing those learning objectives, comparing learning objectives and performance objectives, planning for an assessment, and then we'll look at various examples of both learning and performance to give you a better idea. Then Module 4 is lesson planning. We will talk about what is a lesson plan and what are the parts of it, what are the various types of lessons that you can use, and then as usual I will show you some examples of lesson plans. So all of that is the Principles of Curriculum and Planning. Thank you.